How we doing, guys? I had Drew from Jap Elec over today to do the battery relocation to the boot. I know I could have given it a crack myself, but I know I would have got it wrong. So I thought I'd just leave this to a professional to do, and he did an exceptional job. We'd highly recommend Drew from Jap Elec. He does awesome work, and you'll see in these videos. So I'll show you them now. So I tried not to take too many videos because I would hate to intrude on his work or make him feel uncomfortable or out of place, because I know that I would feel like that if someone was recording me doing work. All in all, we managed to do the battery relocation to the boot. I think it looks really good in the center, and that's how Drew had it in his 180sx when he used to own one, and it actually frees up a lot of space, more than you think, rather than having it to the side, which is what people usually go for. We also replaced the fuel sending unit plug with a Dishworks plug, and we also did a fuel pump relay also with a fuse connected to the terminal on the battery. And everything came out exactly how I wanted it and how I thought it would be. So that just about wraps up this video. I hope it's helped anyone who's looking to do a battery relocation to the boot, figuring out where you want to do it or how you want to wire it. Also too, if you're in Brisbane, Jap Elec, highly recommend, go to him, you won't regret it. On the next video, we'll be doing the drivetrain install, so I'll see you guys then.